All right, let's see what John's doing out here in the garage. There he is. John Phillips! What are you doing wearing your brand new TurboJohn shirt to weld in? Don't you know you're gonna fill it full of holes? You just got this like 2 days ago and you're already welding in it. Does it have any holes in the front?
Well, I'm not just using it for welding. I'm also using it for grinding and working on the race car stuff.
You have plenty of holy shirts already for that.
Well, this is a nice shirt though, so we got to make it look used, right? Y'all go check it out. TurboJohnRacing.com. Grab yourself a t-shirt. In Nitrous you trusted, but
Your ass got busted.
that's right.
But there is a PG version
This says but.
for kids and adults alike in case
Yes,
you
that's
don't want to
true.
wear a swear word on your back.
But I am practicing TIG welding. I'm getting better. I'm using some of those tin soldier tips. Go get your t-shirt, TurboJohnRacing.com. Appreciate it. In Nitrous you trusted, but your ass got busted. There you go, guys. Appreciate it.